everybody, Miss Grace here. Welcome to the Kids Craft Corner, and this week we have a cool dinosaur craft. This craft was originally a walking horse, but I think we can make it into a dinosaur, which is a lot cooler. So you're in your craft kit from the library. You're going to have your instruction sheet and your template. And the only other thing that you're going to need are some scissors, and then if you want to decorate your dinosaur and add like stripes or spots or teeth, you can do that. So the first thing you want to do if you do want to decorate is you want to decorate it before you cut it out. It's a lot easier to do it that way. And then you're just going to cut out around the perimeter, and then you see these little dotted lines. We're going to cut on those too. That's going to give our feet a little bit of an angle so that he can walk, or she. So this is our template that's cut out. I went ahead and cut one out, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold our legs down. Our legs are on the outside portion, and we're going to fold our tail and the head of the dinosaur up. So the legs are down, and the head and the tail are up. So it kind of looks like a table at this point, a table with two things sticking up. And then with your tail, you could use your finger like this, and you could make it kind of like a curly tail. And then with the head, I like to fold it in half. So I did like a little bit of a fold. And then if you want to give it some dimension, you can fold it again. So I made it like a little fold and a fold, so it kind of looks like a dinosaur head. And the last thing you need to do is find an incline. So I just took 2 books. We've got a lot of those here at the library, and then you should, fingers crossed, be able to set it at the top. Give it a little wobble. Oh, he's doing a few. He did a little bit of walking. I'm gonna get him to walk. Let's see. You might need to kind of play with him for a little bit. Let's see. Miss Grace might have a lot of bloopers trying to get him to go. Come on. Now we put on our scientist hats and we try and troubleshoot why he's not walking. Let me see if his feet are even. Did a little bit of bending. Oh, it looks like this foot I cut a little bit shorter than the other one. So we want to make sure those are really even so that when he teeter-totters on the surface, whoop, he did two little walks. Let's see if we can get him to do some more. My incline wasn't steep enough. He's a little walking dinosaur. Oh, that's a sliding dinosaur. See you next time.